here I am, and I've already clicked on create project, and I typed in GTS demo project here. But since I've already done that, I'm just gonna click add slide. Now the super cool thing about VideoMaker FX is that they give you all these like pre-made things. Okay, so you kind of have to pick what you want. They're also, so they give you these for free, all of these, and there's just, you know, lots of things in here. Boom, boom, and then things move. It looks really good. But they also have kind of what they have pro themes, and it's a monthly subscription, and it's not, I think it's $67 a month, and you get all these extra pre-made things. For example, I really like Super Promo. It gives me all the themes. It's Meet David. David owns a business. Yada, yada. You know, it kind of goes through the whole process. So I'm just going to select this slide, and then I just have to select the text area and change this info here. And then this will automatically change over there. Isn't that cool? So now you kind of are taking in control of your own video marketing. You also can add images, background images. You can add shapes if you want to do your own. But kind of the benefit of using some of these templates is that you don't have to futz with all this stuff because it's kind of a hassle, right? So I've got this guy. Now I want to add the next step. And then I can play the whole thing. And we can see it's Meet done. And then we have the offer. So obviously you could change any text that you want. David owns a business. You could say David owns a computer. Good job, David. And you can kind of create your own offer for whatever you're trying to sell. Now, when you're creating videos, there's a couple different things you can do with this. First, you probably want to add your own background music. You want to add a beginning that adds your own logo. So actually, let's go in here and pick a logo starter. Let's see, add slide. We just move that over here. And now we can have the beginning of the logo. Not corporate annual report, though. Here I'd want an added image, and then open up that image, then it goes to Meet David, and you go through this process. Now, when you're creating this kind of video, you want to keep it under 60 seconds. Anything longer than that can get a little long for people, and it also depends. I mean, there's always, you know, the gray area in marketing. It could be longer if you have a longer sales presentation, or maybe the people already know you. But if it's a new video and you're introducing yourself to a new audience, you would want to keep it on the shorter side so that you're not losing people's attention spans. So does anyone have any questions about this so far?
Yeah, what about you? I'm trying it also.
Are you on VideoMaker FX? So are you trying to pick a slide? So I logged in, you know, I have my little, I don't know which one, this one? This one. So I had to log into VideoMaker FX on my computer. It's software that's on my computer. It's not web-based. So this is just for the name of the slide that the VideoMaker FX created. So I went in and I said add slide down here, which pops this up. And then I selected the slide, and then it's just showing me the slide name that I'm using. I'm in slide themes. And then the one where it had the whole presentation, it was Pro Theme Super Promo 1. You have to buy. Yeah. So it's the program you would purchase from videomakerfx.com. Their affiliate program is through JVZoo. So I've actually created a video for marketing, and it was an explainer video, and I explained how to use VideoMaker FX, and at the end of the video I had my affiliate link, and it's up on YouTube. The upsell is all these pro themes, and I believe when I did that, you got access to all of the past pro themes as well. So I downloaded like 3 at a time.
Which one?
It's this one right here.
The first one.
Yeah.
No.
So this is all animated stuff, is that right?
Correct. And they do have, if you want to do the hands writing, they have that too. So you type in what you want to write, and it does it for you. That would be the whiteboard. So let me just show you. Let me see if I can find
The
it.
guys on Fiverr, that's just what they're using and charging.
Yeah. Based by second. I know. I own the software. I went to Fiverr. I'm like, I'm just not going to learn this stuff. I went to Fiverr. I'm like, oh, it's the exact same thing. So now, like, if you were to hire me and I would charge you a large amount for a video to be created, I would actually go to my designer who uses an Adobe product, and he creates, really nice ones. Just as a caveat, if I've made one for any of you, I didn't use VideoMaker FX. But but most people wouldn't know how in the world to use Adobe After Effects, I think is what it's called.
So when you go to your outsourcer, Emily, you just need to provide them with the wording you want, is that right? And they will provide the wording to the video effects maker.
That is a great suggestion, actually. If you have an outsourcer, they would need their own copy of VideoMaker FX, so you could ask them if they have one. If not, you may want to spend the $67 and have them put it on their computer. You give them the text, kind of what you want to happen, and they can do it for you. They can even upload it to YouTube and keyword it for you and share it and blah, blah, blah. Do all that stuff for you.
So with videos that I film, like interviews,
Mhm.
I could send that to someone with video effects and just get them to do it and put it to YouTube.
Yeah. I mean, you could really just outsource this whole shebang. But they would need just their own copy, Okay, so if you wanted to add audio, whether it's a song or a voiceover, you would do that inside this platform as well. So I would recommend finishing your presentation and then go to audio settings, and you can use one of their songs. Oh, there we go. So, I mean, the really nice thing about this is that you're not having to go buy any soundtracks. You don't have to go steal any soundtracks, which is also quite handy. And then you can see the length here is 2 minutes. So if your thing here is 2 minutes, then you know that this song will be long enough. You can also do the fade in and fade out right here. So if you want to fade in for the first 4 seconds and the last 4 seconds, then you will have it will just gonna, volume up, volume down towards the end. If you wanted to have your own audio file of your voice, so you're speaking over, you can do both at the same time. You can either record it ahead of time or just come in here and click this little icon, and then you record your own voice as well. So you select the microphone that you have, and then you record yourself on here. And that's it. What do you think? Pretty sweet. I love this software. It's so cool.
Can you upload a video and voice recording?
Upload your own recording? Yep. So yeah. So instead of recording it, you can just upload it, and then it'll put it on top of the whole thing.